Alright guys, today we're going to be cooking salmon heads. It's going to be my second time cooking it, and this time I'm cooking it with my sons. That's Brandon, Brian, and Marcus.
Hi.
Alright, so say hi to YouTube guys.
Hi.
Alright, so these right here, these are the salmon heads. I cut them in half, took the brains out, cleaned them up, took the gills out too. Because we're not going to be eating any gills. So, this is what we got left. It's a lot of meat on salmon heads, but a lot of people don't like to eat them because, well, they're heads. But we're going to eat them. So first what we're going to do is I'm going to have Brandon hand me the oil. Hand me some of the oil, Bam. Thank you. Alright, we're going to pour the oil just a little bit over the heads. Because when we roast them in the oven, we want the skin to get crispy. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Alright.
Dad, you can't really see him.
Can't see him?
No,
Can't see him now? Alright.
Yeah, no.
Alright, we're going to get oil on both sides.
And then,
Alright.
put the salt.
Then, who's going to hand me the salt? Right. Hand me the salt, man.
You want to hand him that, huh? You want to hand him that.
This is on the video. And we're going to put some Old Bay. You can never go wrong with Old Bay. Always seasons your food up nice and good. Flip them over because you want that skin to have some flavor too. And we are going to eat the eyes. The eyes are kind of good. We're going to eat them though. Last thing, a little lemon pepper. Gotta give it a little. Can you open that for me? About to be good.
Dad, are both eyes red?
Yeah. The reason the eyes get red is because when they cut the head off, a little blood rushes to their brain, goes to their eyes. It's alright, ain't gonna hurt nothing. There we go. So these are our salmon heads. Nice and seasoned, nice and good. Hope you guys are ready for some good old head action. Alright. Now the reason I put the heads down with the skin side up is because when you roast it in the oven, you want the skin to be crispy. You don't want no soggy, nasty skin. So I put them skin side up. Well, I put my oven on 400 degrees. We're going to cook them probably about 40 minutes. Alright? And then we'll be back.